Max Mara, your autumn ready-to-wear collection is out of this world. I mean, look at this piece with the ruching, this two-piece set. Look at this beautiful trench. It's like a soft wool material. Hey guys, I just arrived at Concord and there is the beautiful Eiffel Tower. This is Plaza Athénée with the famous red awnings. I have my first coffee of the day. I'm at the Paris Cafe Kitchen. If you want in a to-go cup in Paris and walk around with the coffee, then go to one of their 3 locations, I would suggest, because it's actually hard to find like to-go coffees in Paris. This gorgeous Loro Piana fall display is incredible. I love this little bag actually. It's very beautiful. The one that's most popular, everyone is getting right now. I forget the exact name of it, but it's that little top handle bag. I mean, this is gorgeous. Sometimes Loro Piana does not excite me, but this makes me super excited for the new fall autumnal season. The trousers are incredible, and what I love about Loro Piana, if it's not in our budget, we can recreate it with just like so many different options, whether it's Club Monaco, Banana Republic, Zara, which is the best part, I think, of a brand like this. But obviously, the quality is not going to compare to a brand like Loro Piana, but you can get so much inspiration from it. This is from, I guess, their hardware collection. Let me know if you're a big Cartier fan. But it's dainty, but bold and chunky. So it's kind of like an oxymoron, but wow, that is so beautiful. That is a stunning piece of jewelry on someone's wrist. That looks so good. I'm in Aquazzura, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite pieces. They also have some gorgeous bags as well, but they're known for their shoes. First of all, these flats are stunning, but I love these over here with a little bow tie. They're in rose gold. They're gorgeous. And these ones over here with the little baubles. So they have these in like a heel format. They also have the flat versions, and they have like a little block heel one I've seen as well. And then these are their bags. Very unique. Such a cute little shoulder bag. This one here is more of a clutch. And then this again is that little bauble. I just feel like that looks so beautiful on the foot. One of my friends, she has this style and she looks amazing in it. And then this is the other style that I showed you before, but in black. And I would say these are my favorites. They look amazing on the foot. They're so classic. I love them in black. They also look beautiful in gold. These ones have an open toe, but these are definitely my favorite. These are also very sweet with a little detail across the foot. And this chain detail one, Aquazzura makes gorgeous pieces. These ones over here with the crystals are beautiful. These velvet flats, and I think that's gonna wrap it up for Aquazzura. I just left Hermes. What do we think is in this bag? It's small. I've been wanting this piece for so long. I got something at Hermes. What would be in here? I guess not a mini Kelly. It's too big for that. I'm gonna slide this ribbon off like that. And then, what do we think this is? It's a pair of shoes and perfect fall shoe. Hold on, this is the little leather piece. The Kelly loafers. They're so cute, these Kelly loafers. Mule loafer. I feel like this is a great purchase if you're interested in getting something at Hermes. And apparently they're super comfortable. I will update you and let you guys know if they're comfy as I wear them. I am about to die. Oh my god! How pretty is the Arc de Triomphe right now? It is, what time is it? It's like almost 8:30 p.m. So sun is setting. There you can see it a little bit better. So pretty. I was just FaceTiming one of my friends and they said that this is the tunnel that Princess Diana went in and died. I'm not sure if it's this one or Pont Alma. think it's one of the two, which I don't know if that's a little bit dark to just talk about on this vlog, but I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh. It's not funny at all. I'm weird. But the sunset's beautiful. I don't know, it's just when you go to a city like Paris and so many things have happened in the city, I don't know, I just thought that would be something to bring up. But probably weird thing to say, I'm sorry. And geez, it's such a gorgeous city at night. Look how pretty it is, the sun setting. I'm gonna go over the river, I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I'll see you in the next clip. I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. You know what, there's actually a lot of restaurants. I think that's one of them. I forget the name, it's called Bon something. And there's these restaurants on boats. That is so cool. I didn't know that. You guys, who else have watched that YouTube video from Parisian Vibe where they talk about the 4 best croissants in Paris? So this place, Cedric, I thought I would come here, right? This is like in the video, but oh my God, look at this line. This is insane. Like, can you imagine spending your day in Paris lining up in this line? Like, it's a croissant. No. Wow. And it's for takeaway too. Like, it's not even eating it, it's takeaway. Crazy. There's Place Vendôme, so gorgeous. And then the Ritz is over there. It's beautiful. You know, it's so funny, you guys. I've never been to Angelina, but look at this. There's quite a queue. But I'm just gonna go around so we can see what it looks like. The sun is setting. Just walk in. I don't think I've actually ever entered from this entrance. This entrance is beautiful. And I'm pretty sure that the Louvre is just up on the right. So you guys, I took the metro here and the machine was broken, so I couldn't pay. So the gates were open and I got a ticket. $75. 50 euros, $75 Canadian. Anyways, it is what it is. But there is the Eiffel Tower, so gorgeous. And this is not where the pyramids are, obviously, but I will find them. Having a little cappuccino at the Cafe Marley, and the views here are amazing. So beautiful with the pyramids in the background. Here's a brand, Pomellato, that I only heard of once I started doing street style, and they have such beautiful jewelry. I'm going to show you the window display. So I've interviewed a few women and their pieces are always incredible. I mean, look at this necklace. You can wear it as a choker, you can wear it a bit longer. This bracelet. Again, this piece over here. Love this lariat. Let me know what other jewelry brands you guys want to see. There's the original Goyard store over there. I'm just passing by Vivienne Westwood, and I love how eclectic this brand is. Let me head in and just show you a little bit of their items. I personally love the Vivienne Westwood jewelry. Their pieces are so eclectic and fun, and I love when I see people wearing Vivienne Westwood. This piece is very cool. It has like an iridescence to it. Look at this gorgeous piece. I love the collar detail. A little Vivienne Westwood emblem. This denim is very cool. And this clutch over here, I love the color. Look at these. So neat. See my favorite part, which is the jewelry. This is what I really wanted to see. Their pearls. Chokers. This is a little bracelet over here. That's their very classic choker up there. Their little pins. Very cool. Those earrings are amazing. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this Vivienne Westwood eye candy, and let's head over to the next store. I want to get this last Vivienne Westwood clip over here, and then look at their bridal. Amazing. Hey guys, so I'm going to take you into Celine. One on Saint Honoré is a beautiful store. It's gorgeous inside, so I'm going to show you it a little bit. I want to show you these cute little top handle bags. They're very vintage looking. They have a little opening. It's very cute. These are in lizard. This is the classic Triomphe one. This one over here is a mock croc. It's not real croc. But there's just something about these. You can look at little vintage looking bags. So much. I'm going to show you the Brahmi bag. This one is such like typical Parisian chic. It's a beautiful shape. It's slouchy, but it fits everything you need. It's not too big. I think this looks beautiful in the classic tan color. They also have a larger size, but I feel for this bag, it's perfect in this size over here. And then let me just quickly show you a few more. This one is so sweet. I love their bucket style bags and the canvas. This little linen one, the longer version. Let me show you. So they've got this little rattan one, probably more for like the last season, not this season, but I still love that piece and it's a classic. These are so cute. These little colors. They also have, as you can see, the big one, so it's really beautiful. Upstairs, I believe they have ready to wear. The staircase is gorgeous. And then let me just quickly show you a couple of the accessories. They've got this beautiful bracelet over here. I always love the Celine hair accessories because they're so sweet. These little clips. One day, I would love to get that. Headbands. So my style, and I just love the Triomphe logo. Oh, if you guys didn't know, you know where the Triomphe logo came from? So I believe it's the Arc de Triomphe. They have this little looking logo in Paris, and that's where it came from. Maybe I will go there later today and show you, but I thought that was neat. So that's where, so Celine didn't make this logo themselves. It came from the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. It's just a beautiful store, this one. These are like little toiletry pouches. This one's really cute. They've got great costume jewelry over here. I love these little dangly ones up there with the hearts. Some Baroque pearls. These bracelets are very sweet. The pearl detail. Oh, I really like that one with the pearls. These bangles are pretty cool, as are the rings. Some more earrings and bracelets. Here's some David Yurman. David Yurman is definitely known for their silver. Their gold pieces are stunning, and I love these stones. The turquoise is beautiful. Green. Look at those little pieces over there. These are rings. They're such stunning pieces. I always love David Yurman. I mean, they're a classic. Look at this piece with the turquoise. Let me show you some Graff eye candy. Look at these gorgeous diamonds. And here's Buccellati, another beautiful jeweler. Look how stunning this necklace is. It's beautiful. We are inside Carolina Herrera. Love the little off the shoulder. It's so romantic. And then look at this one with the little feather detailing. It's stunning. So much fun. And look at that staircase. Probably goes up to the atelier. And check out these gorgeous riding boots from Carolina Herrera. Those are pretty unique. Got this beautiful saddle here and a riding hat. Lots of red tones for fall. Love the houndstooth. Here's my favorite Carolina Herrera piece. Look how beautiful that is. With the big statement bow, the color is gorgeous, and I love the material. It's kind of like that swishy material. How would I describe it, right? I like this material. It's great for traveling, actually. I brought a skirt that is similar material to this, and it's just like, it packs nicely. It doesn't wrinkle really that much. And this is such a lovely piece. Very flattering, all of her stuff. And let me know what you guys think of Carolina Herrera. Contemporary, they're modern, but inside it's flickering, so I can't really show too much or you guys won't like the footage. But here is a little bit of Paris, and this is a little bit more Loewe. I thought it might be interesting to show you just some beautiful Parisian fashion. This is Fontaine, and should we quickly go in? This coat is beautiful. Really, just the dress over here that they had in the display is so beautiful. As you can see, it's like a jumpsuit with this ruffle detail. It's really special. And they have, what I really like are these amazing, here you can see it on the hanger, but they've got these amazing little neck pieces that you can add to any classic shirt. But I'm wondering if I like change the settings, if it'll stop flickering, but I don't think so. Okay, I'm glad I got to show you that. Oh, maybe I'll show you really quickly. This little belt detail over here. It's really beautiful. Little dainty ones over here. These rings are really cool. I love the aesthetic, all of the books. And check out these sandals. Super minimalistic. Of course you can find a dupe at Zara. That's where Zara gets all their inspiration from, obviously, from these Paris fashion houses. So, I see some of the bangles. Ooh, before I show you that though, this is like a newish clutch. I like the very simple, sleek design. This nude color is gorgeous. Look at this little baby one. I really like. I want to show you some of the jewelry. This piece over here is stunning. The new sunglasses and these bangles are just such a cool statement. I love the silver one. This bag over here is very unique. These gloves are incredible. I love this little, and this is the way Saint Laurent does it. They put these big bold. Bonjour, comment ça va? Très bien, merci. Merci beaucoup. They put these amazing bangles over like blazers and gloves, and it makes it such a statement, and I love that. Their rings are amazing. And this is the mini Madison over here. I like actually the bigger Madison. I think it looks better in the bigger size. Don't get me wrong, I love a small, cute bag, but certain bags just look better in a larger size. And this is one of my favorite bags in the more classic size. And then I love this one here. Oh, and one of the bucket bags that I really like is this one over here. This bucket bag is beautiful. I want to show you some of the more unique pieces. This one over here, this little clutch detail. We've got some incredible trench coats over here. This one is beautiful. This trench coat in this deep burgundy, such a classic. And then check out this little puffer. So beautiful, especially from this angle. You can see all of the mirrors.